So I am here, guys, because I'm grinding the wall. Why I'm grinding the wall?
To make it smooth.
Again. Hi guys! Nag-grind ako today at ganito yung ginagawa ko. Ginagrind ko yung dito na side kasi paglalagyan siya ng parang siyang wood dito, hindi siya magkasya. So, need ko siyang i-grind dito. At dito din sa mga sides. Dito. Tsaka doon sa taas. Tsaka dito sa baba. Dito. So, I hope nakita nyo guys. Ipapakita ko din siya how it looks like after. Hi guys! I'm here. I'm grinding the wall here because to make it smoother. But this wall here, then we can use the big machine to do it. And I'm done already with the down there. You should. So there is the machine, guys, connected to the vacuum cleaner. So hubby will gonna show you how to do it. Guys, I will gonna try to do it. It's quite big. It's taller than me. See here, and this is the head, and there's the lights. So I will try to do it if I can. Maybe it's quite heavy. It's really heavy, like 4 kilos.
5.
5?
Yeah.
It's 5 kilos, guys. So where's that on here? So I'll try to. I'm here, guys, painting this wall here. I'm done on the other side. I'm already done there. So I'm here painting the upper part. Like that there. So we're almost done here, guys. We'll just put a chips on that side, and the next would be painting. So the ceiling is not yet done, so maybe hubby will gonna paint it later. This is the base coat, guys. It's not yet the paint, so yeah, it's almost done. So we're here, guys, in the master's bedroom. So as you can see in that wall there, that is already done with the first coat. So I'm now into this wall. And the next will be this wall, and at the back of me is the last one. So 3 more walls and I'm almost done with the first base. it looks easy, but it's really tiring. There, it's gray. It really looks better when there's a plaster.
Yeah.
But you're so lazy to do it.
In the ceiling?
Yeah. Oh!
Oops.
Nice. So here, guys, it's already done with the painting here. So this wall, that wall at the back, this wall here, and this wall. So the next thing we're gonna do here is tomorrow maybe we're gonna grind it with that machine, and then next is we're gonna repaint it again with the base, and then we were gonna grind it again, and then the paint, the final touch. And the ceiling is also done. So yeah, the 3 rooms should be done this week because the electrician will gonna come and then put the floor, like put the cables on the floor, the heating cables. So we need to finish this one this weekend. And now hubby is painting this room here in the ceiling because it's tiring. So it's not so, you can't really see it in the camera, but it's quite, it looks nice now that it's painted. There is not painted, and there is the painted one. So that wall, guys, we were gonna close it today by this. We were gonna use this one here. This is called gyps. It looks like plywood, but this is like solid, and this is covered with a paper or a cardboard. And if you're gonna cut it with the use of a cutter, you can just easily knock it down. And this one is like, it will turn into powder. That one there, see?
Oops.
What I'm doing now here, guys, is I'm plastering those tiny holes in the wall to make it perfect when you're gonna paint it. So I'm using here a light. So I'm gonna do like this. Like that, so you can see the small dot or the small lines that needs to be filled up. And then if I can see that there is, then I'm gonna use this one. This is a plaster, so I'm gonna fill it up here, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's not so clear in a video, guys, because it's white here and the plaster is also white, but in person it's really obvious that there's a dot or a lines, so we need to fill it. Here in Norway, guys, we use a screw instead of nails, and that's why it's a little bit easier to have it in the wood. Is it? Is it easier?
Huh?
Is it easier to use the screw?
Yeah, of course. Faster.
It's much faster
Much stronger.
and much stronger.